Welcome back to View Atlanta Properties. I'm Angelo Merville, your Atlanta area realtor, and today we're in Conyers, Georgia, at the beautiful community Abbotts Crossing by DRB Homes, touring the popular Emma floor plan. This home offers approximately 2,163 square feet with the primary on the main. The community itself is exceptionally well located, just about 1.5 miles from I-20, putting you minutes away from dining, shopping, downtown Conyers, and even Covington. Are you looking to buy a home? Well, download your home buyer guide using the link in the description. I'll show you from start to finish how to purchase a home here in the Atlanta metro market. I'll make sure that you're confident and comfortable with the entire process. And if you would like me as your realtor, book your discovery call today. As you step into the Emma floor plan, you'll immediately feel the open concept layout that DRB Homes are known for. The foyer flows directly into the family room and then connects to the breakfast area and kitchen. Perfect for keeping the home connected whether you are entertaining or simply relaxing with your family. Now take a look at the kitchen. A large island with seating, plenty of counter surface, cabinetry, and an open view into the living room. Just off this space, you'll find the primary suite on the main level, which is a smart design move for today's buyers. Hey, if you love this home tour and would like videos just like this, shoot me a text. I'll show you how we make more money and sell homes in a shorter amount of time than many agents in our market. It all boils down to our marketing plan and videography. I would love to interview for the position and showcase your property. Back to the video. Heading upstairs now, and one feature that really stands out in the Emma plan is the loft area. It's versatile and can serve as a second family room, home office, or play zone. Beyond the loft, you'll find the additional bedrooms, each with ample closet space, good natural light, and comfortable design. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.